Hi everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about unique modern terrace garden design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A modern terrace garden design is a great way to incorporate nature into your outdoor living space and add both beauty and functionality to it. No matter the size of your terrace, there are various innovative and creative design ideas to choose from. The key to designing a modern terrace garden is to find a style that meets your needs and preferences, and that takes into consideration the space you have available. Vertical gardens are an ideal solution for those who have limited space on their terrace. By using a variety of plants such as succulents, herbs, and small flowers in a vertical garden system or hanging planters, you can add an interesting element to your garden while saving space. This type of garden design is not only eye-catching, but it is also low maintenance and easy to care for. Another unique and creative idea is to incorporate a small water feature like a pond or fountain. This not only adds a relaxing and peaceful ambiance, but it also serves as a unique focal point. The soothing sound of water creates a calming atmosphere that you can enjoy while relaxing on your terrace. For those who want to incorporate an industrial style into their terrace garden, consider using metal and concrete elements. Metal planters, concrete benches, and even a metal pergola or trellis can add an interesting contrast and a modern look. This type of design element can create an urban and stylish atmosphere in your outdoor living space. To create a more intimate and private space on your terrace garden, consider adding a pergola or trellis. This can be made from materials such as wood, metal, or glass, and serves as a perfect place to relax or entertain guests. The pergola or trellis can also act as a focal point, adding visual interest to your garden design. Lighting elements are also an important consideration for your terrace garden. String lights, lanterns, or built-in lighting can add beauty and functionality to the space. With the right lighting, you can highlight the unique features of your terrace garden and enjoy the space even at night. A modern terrace garden design can be a unique and beautiful way to bring nature into your outdoor living space. With so many creative and functional design ideas to choose from, you can find the perfect design that meets your needs and preferences. Whether you prefer a vertical garden, a small water feature, industrial-style elements, or an intimate space, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a unique modern terrace garden design ideas for your home. Thank you.